HypaLUME Multivolt is a heavy-duty LED floodlight developed for applications where high light output is needed in extreme environments. Only the highest quality materials and components are used in the production of HELA mining products, which ensures a long lifetime and maintenance-free lighting solution, which is why HELA can offer a 5-year warranty on all HELA mining products. Taking a closer look at the HypaLUME Multivolt, has a color temperature of 5700 Kelvin and a measured light output of 25,000 lumen. There's an operating voltage from 22 to 52 volts. It is highly efficient, energy-saving floodlight solution with a maximum power consumption of only 260 watts. It has an operating temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. This is a sealed unit and has a protection rating of IP6K7 and IP6K9K, ensuring no dust or water ingress can occur. It has a heavy-duty stainless steel bracket with rubber dampening system to keep everything in check from vibration. The electronic components fulfill the statutory approvals including ECE R10 and RCM compliance, reverse polarity protection, transient spike protection, over voltage protection, and a thermal management system. The HypaLUME Multivolt also features an advanced nano-safe non-stick easy to clean coating. It has a high impact hard coated polycarbonate lens and premium anti-corrosion aluminium is used for the housing. The HypaLUME Multivolt is a perfect heavy duty LED floodlight due to its high output while being extremely efficient. Typical applications include excavators, rope shovels, crushers, blast hole drill rigs, lighting towers, conveyor lines, continuous miners, workshops, as well as coal handling processing plants. The HypaLUME comes in 3 main variants: close range, long range, and extra wide beam.